isang natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip,
It's okay not to have a lot of money. What's more important is that you're alive and healthy. As long as you're breathing.
Ngunit biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama kapag kapit